Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Awin tracking script from your website, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Awin tracking script from your website, begin by accessing your website's backend. Log in to your content management system or hosting platform. Navigate to the area where you can manage your site's code or scripts. Depending on your platform, this could be under Settings, Themes, or directly in the HTML editor. Locate the section where your site's header or footer code is managed. Search for the Awin tracking script. The script usually starts with script and contains Awin in the URL. Once you find the script, carefully select the entire code snippet. Delete the selected code for the Awin tracking script. Make sure to remove only the Awin script to avoid affecting other functionalities. After removal, save your changes. If your website has a caching system, clear the cache to ensure changes take effect. Next, verify that the script has been successfully removed. Open your website in a new browser tab. Use the browser's developer tools to check for any remaining Awin scripts. Inspect the page source or console to confirm the absence of the Awin tracking code. If you run into issues, consult your website's support resources for further assistance. Once confirmed, you have successfully uninstalled the Awin tracking script from your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.